Proper nutrition is essential for growth and development, especially in children. Here are some foods that can help support healthy growth. First, let's talk about protein-rich foods. Protein is the building block of muscles and tissues. Foods like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts provide the essential amino acids needed for growth. Chicken is a versatile and lean source of protein. It's packed with essential amino acids that help build and repair tissues. Grilled, baked, or roasted chicken can be added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed as a main dish. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain development and overall growth. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties that support heart health. Try incorporating fish into your diet at least twice a week. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, providing high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. The choline in eggs is essential for brain development. Enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet for a nutritious start to your day. Beans, including lentils, black beans, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber. They help in muscle growth and keep you feeling full longer. Add them to soups, salads, or make a bean dip for a healthy snack. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are nutrient-dense and provide protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. They support brain health and can be enjoyed as a snack or added to dishes for extra crunch and nutrition. Dairy products are another key group. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are high in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for bone growth and strength. Aim for at least 3 servings of dairy each day. Milk is a great source of calcium, which is essential for bone development. It also provides protein and vitamin D. Drinking a glass of milk daily can help support your growth. Cheese is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins A and B12. Add cheese to your sandwiches, salads, or enjoy it as a snack. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut can improve nutrient absorption, aiding in growth. Enjoy yogurt with fresh fruit or as a base for smoothies. Don't forget about fruits and vegetables. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and growth. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are particularly high in nutrients. Spinach is a superfood loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. These nutrients are essential for bone health and immune function. Add spinach to salads, smoothies, or sauté it as a side dish. Kale is another nutrient-dense leafy green. It's high in vitamins K, A, and C, which are important for bone health, vision, and immune support. Enjoy kale in salads, soups, or as kale chips. Fruits like oranges, apples, and berries are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They help protect the body from oxidative stress and support overall health. Include a variety of fruits in your diet for maximum benefits. Whole grains provide the energy needed for growth and daily activities. Foods like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Brown rice is a whole grain that retains its nutrients, including fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. It's a healthier alternative to white rice and can be enjoyed with vegetables, lean protein, or in stir-fries. Whole wheat bread is made from whole grains, preserving its fiber and nutrients. It helps keep you full and provides sustained energy. Use whole wheat bread for sandwiches or toast. Oats are a great source of fiber and nutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. They provide long-lasting energy and support digestive health. Enjoy oats as oatmeal, in smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. Healthy fats are also important. Foods like avocados, olive oil, and nuts provide essential fatty acids that support brain development and overall growth. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for brain health and development. They also provide fiber and vitamins. Add avocados to salads, sandwiches, or make guacamole. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat with anti-inflammatory properties. It's an excellent source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Use olive oil in cooking, salad dressings, or drizzle over vegetables. Nuts like almonds and walnuts provide a good amount of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. They support brain health and overall growth. Include a variety of nuts in your diet as snacks or in recipes. Legumes, such as lentils and chickpeas, are not only high in protein but also rich in iron and zinc, which are vital for growth and immune function. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. They help in muscle growth and keep you full longer. Add lentils to soups, stews, or salads. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They support growth and provide sustained energy. Enjoy chickpeas in salads, hummus, or roasted as a snack. Seafood is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel can help support cognitive development and overall growth. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins. These nutrients support brain health and overall growth. Enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or in salads. Mackerel is another fatty fish rich in omega-3s and essential nutrients. It supports brain function and cardiovascular health. Include mackerel in your diet by grilling or baking it. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense and provide a good amount of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. Include a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet for optimal growth benefits. Sunflower seeds are a great source of vitamin E, protein, and healthy fats. They support growth and immune function. Enjoy them as a snack or sprinkle them on salads and yogurt. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They help in brain development and overall health. Add chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or make chia pudding. Finally, stay hydrated. Water is essential for every function in the body, including growth. Encourage drinking plenty of water throughout the day to support overall health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can support healthy growth and development. Remember, a balanced diet and regular physical activity are key to growing strong and healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellbeing World for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay strong and healthy.